guys, Mixed Media Girl here. Today we are going to be doing a bottle bottom pour. So I'm going to just explain my setup a little bit here. So I'm putting 2 small pieces of double-sided sticky tape on here. This is the foam double-sided sticky tape, so that it sticks up a little bit. Pro tip, do this before you put your gloves on. This is my cake spinner. It is awesome, and on top of here I have a shower cap to help protect it. I'm gonna just kind of center this the best that I can, press down, and it is ready to go. Always test out the spin before you put paint on it. Don't test it after. I'm gonna go ahead and fill up my cup. I'm using Mixed Media Girl pouring paints, and I'm primarily doing sunset colors here, but I am going to use a dash of blue for a contrast. I think that's going to be really pretty and will give us some pretty rainbows. So I've got white, I've got yellow, I've got Merlot also for contrast, and then some primary red and some electric pink, which will be nice, beautiful, bright colors. All right, so we've got our gorgeous paint cup here. I'm actually pretty excited about this color combination, and I'm going to go ahead and put a bottle bottom in the middle of the canvas. Now this is a plastic bottle bottom that I make myself. You can also just simply cut the bottom of a soda bottle off. And just go ahead and pour. There's not really any rules to how you pour this. You can pour it just straight down. You can do a little bit of a tree ring, which is what I typically do. Just try to pour it evenly out of each of the little slots that the paint's gonna go down there. And try to go slowly so that the paint doesn't go over the ridges either. So I like to let it sit for about a minute and then go ahead and remove the bottle bottom. Now you can spin it just like this. I do like to take a stick though and pull it through here to kind of wreck those lines. I think that just is gorgeous. That's a matter of personal preference. You can do more than that, but I think that's enough. And then I do like to make sure that it fully fills in the middle before I start spinning. Now, if it is off center at this point, it will be off center after you spin, so you can tilt it a little bit if you want, but I'm gonna just go for it. Now you can see that it was a little bit off center, so it filled in this side faster than this side. I'm gonna go ahead and just help it a little bit here and spin gently one more time, just to make sure I get these sides fully covered over here. Go. So there you have it. That's really all there is to it. Very simple technique, so fun. Use any number of color combinations you want. This was a pretty wild color combination with the blue in there, but you can go all warm colors, all cool colors. You can make it look more like leaves, more like flowers, and pretty much any way you do it, it's going to be gorgeous. So have fun with this technique, and I'll see you all next time.